Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sada Malpani and wishing you all a spectacular 2026. To start with our first segment for Thursday, 1st January 2026, Nifty index opened gap up and stretched northwards throughout the session with bulls soaring it towards 26,200 mark. It witnessed some swings towards the end but managed to close in gains of around 200 points. It formed a bullish candle on the daily frame and wiped off the losses of the last three sessions. India VIX was down by around 2% to 9.5 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.27. Option data is suggesting broader range will be in between 25,700 to 26,500, while immediate range could be in between 26,000 to 26,300. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 3,492 crores. While DIIs were buyers worth 6,542 crores. FII's long-short ratio has been hovering near 9%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 26,100 for the next move towards 26,325, while support can be seen at 26,000 zones. Bank Nifty has to hold above 59,500 for the next up move toward recent lifetime high of 60,114, while on the downside support can be seen at 59,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in SAIL, LTF, Indian Bank, Jindal Steel, MCX, Shriram Finance, Titan, Hudco and Canara Bank. While some weakness could be seen in Bajaj Finance, Wipro, Bandhan Bank and K-Fintech Technologies. Wishing you all a super day ahead. Shivangi Sada Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.